The All Rounder Jackery Portable Charger Review. Title: The All Rounder Jackery Portable Charger Review. Introduction. In an increasingly connected world, the need for portable power solutions has become essential. Whether you are a frequent traveler, an adventurous camper, or just someone who wants to stay connected. On the go, a reliable and efficient portable charger is a must-have accessory. One such portable charger that has gained significant popularity is the Jackery Portable Charger. Known for its powerful performance, durability, and versatility, the Jackery Portable Charger has emerged as a true all-rounder in the market. In this article, we will delve into the features and benefits of this remarkable device. Design and build quality. The Jackery Portable Charger boasts a sleek and compact design that is perfect for those who value portability. Crafted with high-quality materials, this charger exudes durability and sturdiness. Its rugged exterior protects it against accidental drops and enhances its overall lifespan. With its lightweight design, you can easily carry it in your pocket or backpack without added bulk. Battery capacity and charging speed. One of the standout features of the Jackery Portable Charger is its impressive battery capacity. Available in various models, it offers a range of options to suit individual needs. The Jackery Charge R can hold a charge anywhere from 5,000 mAh to a whopping 3,000 mAh, ensuring you never run out of power when you need it the most. Equipped with advanced quick charge technology, the Jackery Portable Charger delivers rapid charging speeds for your devices. Whether you have a smartphone, tablet, or even a laptop, this charger will fuel them up in no time. With its high-output USB ports, you can simultaneously charge multiple devices without compromising on speed or performance. Multi-device compatibility. The Jackery Portable Charger is designed to be compatible with a wide range of devices. From iPhones to Android smartphones, iPads to tablets, Kindles to Bluetooth speakers, and even drones, this all-rounder charger can handle it all. This versatility is a great advantage, particularly for those who own multiple devices or are traveling with a group of friends. Safety features. When it comes to portable chargers, safety is paramount. The Jackery Portable Charger is equipped with multiple safety features to protect your devices from overcharging, overheating, and short circuit. Its built-in intelligent protection system ensures a safe and reliable charging experience, providing peace of mind to users. Additional features. The Jackery Portable Charger goes beyond just charging devices. Some models are also equipped with built-in LED flashlights, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts and hikers. The flash light feature provides a convenient source of light in emergency situations or during outdoor activities at night. Furthermore, some models even include a solar charging option. User-friendly design. The Jackery Portable Charger prides itself on its user-friendly design. With its straightforward plug-and-play functionality, anyone can easily charge their devices without any technical expertise. LED power indicator displays the remaining battery level, helping you plan your charging needs accordingly. Additionally, The charger's compact size and sturdy build make it an excellent travel co. Companion. With the Jackery portable charger by your side, you can embark on your adventures with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable and efficient power source. Its sleek design and durable build quality ensure that it can withstand the rigors of your travels. Whether you're backpacking through the wilderness or jetting off to a new city, this charger will easily fit into your pocket or backpack without adding unnecessary weight. The battery capacity of the Jackery portable charger is truly impressive. With the option to choose from various models, you can select the one that best suits your needs. Ranging from 5,000 mAh to 300 mAh, these chargers offer plenty of power to keep your devices running for extended periods. No matter how power hungry your devices are, you can rely on the Jackery charger to keep them juiced up. Charging your devices quickly is another area where the Jackery portable charger excels. Equipped with quick charge technology, this charger delivers fast charging speeds to all your devices. Whether you're in a hurry and need to top up your phone before heading out or want to recharge your tablet quickly, the Jackery charger has got you covered. Its high-output USB ports allow you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, ensuring that everyone's devices can stay powered up. The Jackery portable charger's compatibility with a wide range of devices is a significant advantage. Whether you're an Android user or an iPhone enthusiast, this charger will work seamlessly with your smartphone. It also supports tablets, Kindles, Bluetooth speakers, and even drones, making it the perfect companion for any tech-savvy individual. No matter what devices you own or which ones your travel companions have, the Jackery charger can handle them all. Safety is of utmost importance when it comes to portable chargers, and the Jackery portable charger takes this seriously. Equipped with advanced safety features, it protects your devices from overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The built-in intelligent protection system ensures a safe and reliable charging experience, giving you peace of mind while using this charger. In addition to its primary charging function, the Jackery portable charger offers some handy additional features. Some models include built-in LED flashlights, which can be a lifesaver during emergency or when navigating through dark environments. These flashlights provide a convenient source of light, adding to the versatility of this charger. Furthermore, certain models even feature a solar charging option, allowing you to harness the power of the sun to recharge your Jackery portable charger. This eco-friendly feature is perfect for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint and are leaning less on traditional power sources. The user-friendly design of the Jackery portable charger makes it accessible to everyone. You don't need any technical expertise to use this charger, simply plug in your device and let it do its magic. The LED power indicator conveniently displays the remaining battery level, so you can plan your charging needs accordingly. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a casual user, the straightforward